want to do a quick review of this lens, the NEEWER LS-63 from NEEWER. I did order it for a project I had to make. I wanted to order the big one for my camera, but it's very expensive and I was not sure if I will use that in the future. So I end up going with that solution that is very cheap. And first impression when I unbox it from that little box that comes with it, that is nice, I was impressed with the quality. For the price I paid, it's a great quality. You can feel a great quality of production. So that's great. The effect that it will give to your shot is, well, they nailed it. That you got what you got the probe lens effect, meaning that, well, of course you need this kind of case on your phone to screw it in, and from there it's sticked at the right place and it works fine with your camera lens. But yeah, you got that effect. You start from here, you go at a very far distance, you can pass into something like that, and you got a 24mm lens at the end that is also very macro, so you can take a picture or a video of something that is very close from a 24mm equivalent. So this, it works fine. But there's some things that I did not like. First of all, the fact that you need to use the lens of your camera. So basically you're using a lens into a lens. So this one, I'm not sure of the aperture. I think it's somewhere around f14. But you also combine it with the f1.7 or whatever from your phone. And you also have two focus, because you have one on this lens and you also have the one of your phone. And with the iPhone 16 Pro that I was using, from the native camera app, it used a combination of all three lenses, so it was doing some just weird stuff. So I did download the Blackmagic Design app to use the camera. That was way better than the native one. But that's just weird. And stabilization, you have to be very careful. I was on a tripod setup that was fine, but keep in mind that if you hold your phone over here and you move a little bit, that make a very huge movement at the end, so you have to be careful with the movement. And you need a lot of lighting. I've got my umbrellas and all those stuff, so that was fine. You see, just the result that it gives, it's just not what I wanted. Maybe I should not have expected more from a camera of this price that you connect on a phone. It's just not what I'm looking for, but it creates the effect you want. So actually I'm looking to send it back. It's not a bad device, it's just that I'm not someone who like to shoot on a phone, and that was not a great experience for me, mostly because of this. So it's up to you. If you want it, the link is in the description. If not, totally understand. So take care, and I'll see you into another video. See ya.